Ownership. Ownership changes everything.
Ownership is one of the hardest things a person can practice, but it's also one of the most powerful because ownership forces you to stop hiding. When I finally looked in the mirror and asked, what could I have done differently? Everything started changing. Ownership doesn't mean you hate yourself. It means you tell yourself the truth. And truth creates freedom. Most people stay stuck because they spend all their energy blaming. Blaming people. Blaming circumstances. Blaming the past. But when you focus only on what everyone else did, you stop focusing on what you can improve. That's why accountability gives you your power back. So today, ask yourself this honestly. Where am I avoiding responsibility? That answer may be uncomfortable, but it may also change your life. At POP, ownership is one of our 4 pillars. Positivity, ownership, progress, purpose. If you're ready to rebuild your mindset, join us inside POP. Link is in the description. Stay positive, stay accountable, Mindset Rebuilders.